Understanding on the move in English. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, on the move. This expression can be quite versatile in English, and understanding it can really add a dynamic element to your conversations. So, let's get moving and learn about this interesting phrase. The most straightforward use of on the move refers to someone or something changing physical location. It can describe a person, animal, or object that is in motion. For instance, when you see someone walking down the street, you could say they are on the move. Beyond the literal, on the move has several figurative meanings. It can mean progressing with a plan or activity, or advancing in life or career. When someone is actively working towards a goal, we might say that person is on the move. It's all about forward momentum and progress. In different contexts, this phrase can take on various nuances. In a business context, on the move could refer to a company expanding or launching new initiatives. In personal growth, someone on the move is making significant changes in their life, such as learning new skills or traveling. Let's look at how on the move can be used in sentences. The army was on the move at dawn. She's really on the move with her new business venture. Watch out for that toddler. He's on the move and into everything. I hope this video helps you grasp the essence of the phrase, on the move. It's a simple yet powerful way to describe activity, progress, and change. Whether you're literally moving from one place to another or figuratively moving up in the world, now you can confidently use this phrase in your English conversations. Keep learning and stay on the move towards your English mastery.